Hey there everyone, Erica here from Highway 49RC. It's been a while since we've been at the bench, that is for sure. For me it's been about 6 months since I've worked here for a video. But today is an exciting day. I've received this box, and I've been waiting for this box for about 4 or 5 months now. Let's go ahead and open it and I'll explain why I've been waiting so long for it and what exactly it is. Alright, we're gonna take this out so you people don't try and stalk me. Come on, open. There we go. Woo! Yo! Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys have no clue. Okay. You guys have no idea what this is. Well, you guys might be able to guess. This is a Hudy touring car bag. Oh, yo, this is great. And look what's on the side of it. Yeah, actually it might be backwards in the camera. No, I think that's just backwards for me. But this is a customized bag that I bought from Hudy. So it has my name on it on the side. Oh, that's so cool. So why did I wait for so long for this? Well, I actually put an order in for this back in August, which was actually when I was building my touring car. I saw that Hudy had customized bags that they were selling. It was a 1-month slot that you could like submit an order, and then they would make them in October or something and ship them out in November in time for Christmas. Obviously they're about a month late, which is fine. But props to them for getting it out quick as they did, and for staying in touch with me. I sent them a handful of emails trying to figure out, one, where to send an email to actually order one of these, and also what the status was of where they were on this bag, because I hadn't gotten a payment email from them. So I was like, alright, what's going on here? What's the hold up, right? So I emailed them, they were timely in responding, and that was great. So, I mean, it's all padded, it's really nice, oh, this is awesome. And I bought this, well, I didn't buy this. I showed it to my dad, and we agreed that it would be like an early Christmas present, because I thought it was going to come, you know, right in time for Christmas. It'd come, I'd wrap it, put it under the tree, you know, kind of stuff like that. But didn't show up that quick, but here it is. So thank you to my dad for buying this for me. Yeah, I think it's time we put the touring car in it. Alright, here's the car. The wing might be better off coming off. Let's see here. Oh, that's so nice. I think the wing is okay the way it is. I'm actually going to turn it around so that when I set it down it's not bumping into stuff. And this is, so these bags are available to buy without a custom name on it. And this is the 1/10 scale touring / on-road car bag that you can buy from Hudy. So they have just normal ones, basically. Yeah. Yo. This is actually the coolest. Oh, this is so nice. I know this side looks really dark, but it's because it's black and there's light shining on it. But it's lighter than you think. Man, this is really awesome. This is actually so cool. Now, I heard that their customization thing is yearly. Like, every year they have a month where you can email and get an order for a bag or something like that. Or, actually, I could have ordered any number of bags. So, like, if I was a racer, I had 10 cars that I took to the track every weekend, I could get bags for all of them. So, yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Follow them on socials, and I'm sure you'll hear about it if they are doing another customization this year. But yeah, this is cool. Definitely cool. It's also got this nice pocket up at the top in here. Hello. Actually, I've got some garbage I could put in there. This box is like the box that the touring car kit came in. And I just have some miscellaneous garbage in here. Some parts, decals, manual, stuff like that. So I don't know if there's anything in here. Yeah, that stuff's in there. We can put that in there. That can go in there too. Let's see what else we got. I don't think there's anything in that. About here. I already got the decals out of this. Yep. Alright, that's it. So now actually I can get rid of this box. Well, actually what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to cut the front out, because most of the RCs that I or my dad have gotten, I have cut the front of the box out and hung it up on my wall as a poster, so I'm probably going to do that with this. But, you know, I can throw this stuff in there. Oh, no. Oh, that's a shame. The instruction manual won't actually fit. It's a little too wide, which is actually a bummer, but I'll figure out a way for it to fit because I would like to have that in there. But all these can slide right in there. Nice. Look at that. Now, doesn't that look pro? Heck yeah, it does. Let me move the camera just a slight bit. There you go. Yeah, that looks nice. This I can literally just put in the bottom of the bag because you know, it'll fit like that. Touring car in. Clothes are up. Oh yeah, I was going to put this in the other way. I turned it around just so it'd be better for lighting and so you guys could see it better. But, zip it up. Yeah. I'm excited. This is so cool. This will be great for storing this car in. So, thank you guys for watching this short little video. Whenever I got this, I knew I was going to make a video and show it off because it's pretty cool, and I've never bought anything with my name on it. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you think if you're going to try and snag a custom bag here in the near future. Also, follow Hudy on socials. I don't remember what their Instagram tag is, but I'll put that in the description as well so you guys can go follow them and snag a bag if you're looking for that. And of course follow me on Instagram at Hudy49_RC. And this is so cool. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And before I end it, if you've watched this far, in the next week or two, big stuff coming. You guys better keep your eyes out and stay tuned. I mean literally big. There'll be a teaser coming out in a week maybe. So stay tuned.